Hi guys, I hope you all are doing fine and by the grace of God everything is okay. It's been a long time, I've not seen you guys, I've not posted a video for you all, so I was just waiting and thinking how and what to do and go about it. Uh, the main thing is I had posted a few grammar issues, grammar homeworks also for 8, 9, 10, and I guess you must have done it. I don't know, I'm very surprised that don't take it otherwise, I'm just trying to be very normal with you guys and talk to you, and because I don't get time and things I wanted to discuss a lot of things with you, share my views, and so that we are on the same platform. Our chemistry of 8, 9, 10, and myself means our chemistry together will be good. I'm also with 5 and 6 and 7, 5, 6, 7 with SST, and I'm there with 8, 9, 10 grammar. So the grammar guys in class 7 also I was teaching them. They're in 8, only one team has gone out. That's the last class 10 has gone out. So whatever I had taught for the special classes, only 10 is there. That is the Sania's and Nikki's group. And hi all of you. Hi Danish. Wish you a happy Eid. Eid Mubarak. I hope you have great fun and Allah bless you and give you all the wisdom and knowledge for your further years to come and further days as well, and to your whole family. Let Allah bless you and happy Eid to actually everybody. We say happy Christmas to everybody, we can say happy Eid to everybody. That's not a problem. We say happy Diwali to everyone. So what's the heck in it? So we can just be. It's India has a huge, vast place of cultures and everything. So we have to, and we are a very colorful cultural country, isn't it? We accept all type of brotherhood, all type of religion, all type of cultures. And during this pandemic, everything is happening. So we have gone through a lot, and we are seeing a lot. We are seeing a lot of things which was in history time and which is happening now. So there are some people who have become wanderers, who have become nomads. They're just going from place to place. They have no homes right now. They're hunting and gathering and eating. I don't know why is this happening, and this has been so bad. But still, by God's grace, we are all safe at home, and I hope you guys are keeping safe and staying home and staying safe and studying. But don't do studies always. You have to relax also. You have to keep that brain, to rest. I get up in the morning as my usual time. I get up at 5, 6. Sometimes I get up at 4:30. During school, I used to be up by 4:15. So, but now I have reduced that time. I sleep a little bit more because I'm awake till night quite long. So that I'm busy into this video recordings and all, and I'm taking care of it. So it's a huge responsibility. So I have to make sure everything is in right place and you get all your stuff in time. So that's quite a hell of a job which I like. So it's not a tough job for me. I don't take anything as tough because I'm very positive. I'm a huge optimistic person, and I'm ready for anything. So my background is something like that. So I've been taught, I've been trained. I was not born with the capabilities of handling or taking care of anything, but I have learned, and I was not born to impress anyone. So I am what I am. So that's the way I am. It's like me or hit me. So that's the attitude I have. So I want each and every you not to have my attitude, but to have a positive attitude. Depends upon what attitude you culture on, and what you adopt and what you go ahead with it. So it's like that. So hello to class 8, class 9, and how are you guys? Hope you all are guys doing well. How are you, Panda? She's in class 9 now, and um, I'm forgetting names again. I'm very bad at names. Okay. So whatever. So yes, I was wanting to tell you that grammar thing, that I'm so surprised that you're not shooting any questions to me, or I'm not getting any feedbacks from you guys regarding the grammar issues. Actually, we were the chart which Chauhan sir gave us and during our school timing, which has become history now. So we had finished and we were only left with articles, and I have given you a PDF file of articles, a small explanation, and I've given you Y links. So the notes which I shared with you was also some I had taken information from my own notes and the Y links, because I know that person personally. In the wildlings of angling, Mrs. Minu, which is there, Miss Minu is there, so I know her personally, and I get to share her links, and it's a family background relationship which I don't want to discuss right now. So it's that. So it's going to be of great help to you, and I hope you are having no problems in it. I'm again very surprised. Why aren't you having any problems? If you are not having problems, then you are number one in it. You'll be scoring high. So do you think only scoring high is the ultimate thing in life, or to master on it is much more better? So whatever you think it, whatever brain type you are thinking, that's I welcome everything that, and I accept it. But my only thing was that I would really like some feedbacks. I'll be really honored to solve each and every question for you all if you have anything, even if it's one line or one word. And Rockstar, I miss your questions, and I used to like your questions when you used to shoot me questions. I used to come and explain it to you as to take one whole class. See, now we have so much of time where I can give some explanations in my way, and I can show it to you. Next is, I want to tell you, be into that habit of everyday studying. I don't have to tell you, you guys are smart, you guys know what all about it. But rest as well, give your brain some rest as well, and study and enjoy your life. Don't take tension, please, because the whole world is thinking about you all. The whole world, all the governments are thinking about children, what's going to happen, what's not going to happen. The CBSE board, the ICSE board, the IGSE board, they are all thinking about children worldwide. Okay, so what's going to happen to the syllabus, what's not going to happen to the syllabus? Don't follow fake news, and don't listen to anybody. When it will come out, you will come to know, we will come to know, we'll do it as per according to the law and according to the rules and regulations of the education board. So you don't have to worry. Someone might say you have to do the full book, someone will say you have to do half book, someone will say you have to do only one chapter, someone will say only you have to answer one question, someone will say you don't have to go to school, someone will say the school will come to your house, someone will say the school is half, and then someone will say school is full. Lot of things, vague things are going to go on. So keep your mind clear and just have faith in yourself, do your own work, and don't worry about it. That's what I just want to tell you. Don't trouble your brain or take any stress on it. To be very serious and to be very frank, honestly, we still don't know what the HRT minister, Mr. Pokhriyal, has not given us still any green signal. They are only in those 50-50 chances. It might open in later June, might open in July, might open in August, might open in September. So just don't worry. If we have 6 months time, the government is going to make a syllabus for 6 months. If we have 4 months time, a government will make a syllabus for 4 months. They are not mad. And children are not machines, children are not robots. Even if to program a robot, that human being has to take time to program you. So we are the people who make the robots inside you, you know. So I am a sharer, so whatever I share, I have to make sure that it has gone inside you, then only you can provide it and you can do your performance, right? So that's the thing. So please don't take stress. For stress, we are there, and my shoulders are quite strong to take stress, so you don't have to worry about that. You just do your work, enjoy life, be with your family. This is the only time where you can get to know your family much more. The points which you don't know, the points which you're not able to talk with your family, or the persons who you don't, you're not very formal with, or you're not, try to blend in more, get your problems solved. If you have any other household issues or home issues or friend issues or relative issues, anything, pull back some memories, sit, relish those moments and enjoy yourself, guys. That's what I want to tell you. And I'm not promoting anything. Another one thing I want to tell you is that don't take it otherwise. I'm telling you, it's not a basic rule, but my basic rule, I was working in Dell, Pune, and my knowledge about online classes or an online thing is very different. I'm not saying that you don't know. I'm just telling you what I know. I'm sharing what I know and what I had been into that online world. So that was much long time ago when I was on that online world, you know. So that was in 2003 and 2004 and 5 I'm talking about. So just imagine that time I was already into this online business. So don't take me wrong. Online you have to have a laptop with a minimum of 4 GB RAM or a 4 GB hard disk or drive or 512 MB RAM also you can go with the computer. Irrespective of the fact you can't play games on it at that time and you cannot overload your computer or your laptop or your desktop. You have to have a camera. Online setup is ready. Okay. Now you need, the main thing is your network. What do you think about our networks? I am doing my online class and I am putting up a video for you. You are also live and I try to click on it and it goes circle, circle, circle. I go, this chapter, this verb is all about, and I stop. Someone else is been hearing at this chap, it goes there, circle, circle. So do you think you have that high speed network here except broadband? Only broadband can give you that, AOL can give you that standard of network. Reliance can give you that network, but Reliance has a separate domestic, commercial value network also. You cannot use it with your phone. Suppose I'm sitting in my room now, my phone is next to me and I put this cable into my laptop or my computer and I get the internet on. Okay, fine. And I close my door, open my window, suddenly the net goes stop, everything goes stop. You've seen that it's happening everywhere. So a phone is not used for online. It's my concept, please. I'm not telling anyone, I'm not discrediting anyone, I'm not saying anything. Yes, we are doing it because this is coming in use right now. But the basic I'm trying to tell you is the online knowledge, the online setup. Someone has to be there with a laptop or a computer and there's a group somewhere sitting in the class where the teacher is not able to cover, a huge distance issue is there. But on the same time, there's a camera in your classroom, there's a laptop in your classroom, you have a screen, you have an internet board, which these days schools do have. You must be seeing it in the YouTube links also. They use those boards, they just touch with their finger, the touchpad, it's a touch screen blackboard or a whiteboard. So that's a separate setup. I know there are so many companies, I don't want to name, there are so many apps. One of the best apps I have them inside my brain, I don't want to discuss it with you. There are much better apps in the world right now. There are 5 top apps which we don't in India, we don't use it at all. But everything is available. If you can watch YouTube, that's also a company outside. WhatsApp is a company outside. Everything is all apps are near about from outside. Some apps are made in India, some apps are made abroad, but we are using it. This internet connectivity, this online connectivity has brought us together. Today in the bank, I'm giving you one small example, guys. Ask any of your elders who go to the bank. They are standing in line, they are standing with their check, or they have applied for some loan cash, or they're applying for something, or they are waiting for a draft to be cleared. And the bank manager says the link is down or the server is down. They say link is down. That means the network is not there. The link gets disconnected. There is no link. That's the actual word. It's not server down. The server cannot go down. It's all about waves. If that time the correct waves are not flowing and the connector is not taking it, the towers are not taking it, that means the link goes away. The server cannot go down. If a server goes down, there's going to be hell to play. Okay. Then the manager says the link is down. Does anyone shout? Tell me. No one will make a single word. It's a matter of money, bank. Oh, if I shout too much, what happens? My link is down, what will happen? My money will go. Then you are scared. That is one online thing which happens. That is also online. What is correspondence course? You are getting everything in mail, by post mail, and this you are getting everything by mail on your internet, on the spot, and that is taking 2 to 3 days to come to you. What do you do with correspondence? Nothing is for free. They don't give it to you for free, correspondence courses. You have to put in a draft, fill up your form, send it to that institution. I am telling you also the institution, that is Indira Gandhi Open University, IGNOU. You have to fill a draft and send it, and then it goes to that institution office in Delhi, and then they see your draft, and then they again send you back an intimation letter. Okay, we received your draft, this is your study material. Now you study and you come and choose your center and come and give the exam. Who is there online for you? They are giving you study material by post, hard copies. I am giving you soft copies. What is the difference between that? Before it was inscription on the stones, today it is inscription in the computers. We are still encrypting in computers. Don't you have inscription in computers? Inscription language? The languages we don't understand. Only the network guys understand. The hardware guys understand. We don't understand it. Normal lay people, we don't understand it. So what is this problem with this online thing? I guess the one which I am doing, I am sending, you are getting all information. At the end of the day, you need to get the information, or you want to hear my voice. Which one? I don't sound like Kumar Shanu, or I don't sound like Kishore Kumar, that you are going to sit and listen to me. It's what I speak you are going to listen. It's what information I am sharing with you, you are going to listen. That is what is more important. At the end of the day, the download tab where those things are there, we are going to get that information. The links which I am going to give you, the soft copies which I am going to give you, want to sit and study. Like also, if my sharing information with you for half an hour in the school or 40 minutes per one period in the school, you see my face and you go home and don't study, does it make sense? I am also doing it here, I was doing it in the school, but ultimately you have to do it on your own. Everyone wants to eat, no one wants to cook. So I am doing the cooking. I am cooking it and sharing it with you. You have to eat it yourself. At the end of the day, you have to eat it yourself. At any cost. And the day you start eating yourself and you know the recipe to cook, that day you are in progress. Success is under your belt. Success will be under your belt the day you know the process of cooking and you know the ingredients, what time, how to cook it, what all you need and how much time will it take. That day success is under your belt. So the videos which Hartford is doing, I am not naming anybody. The videos which Hartford is doing, I am taking care of it. I am putting it up onto YouTube, and there is an IT section who is bringing it up on the website, and you are watching it. Those videos are not going away. Suppose you have forgotten something, okay, which date was that? Okay, let me go and see. You open the website and you check it and you do it. Oh, when you are playing on the phone, it's okay. But when you want to see a video for the 15 minutes, 2 videos, 15 minutes is 30 minutes, that you won't be able to see. Your parents won't get angry, I know that. It's about learning. Okay, I have heard that there are some apps. Okay, what do actually online teaching does? Something different than me? I guess not. Yes, there may be a chance that you may be seeing the lectures, you must be seeing them live, but I am not dead. I am coming every day. It's that my video is coming in the next hour, you are not seeing me live. There are so many apps that are giving you 15 days free, you can join into it, listen to it, and after that you have to pay for it. Okay, but my job is to share my information with you. I get paid or not paid, that is my job, I am going to do it. I am born like that. As I said, I am not born to impress anybody. My job is to give you information and share as much information possible, and I am going to do it. I am doing it in a way that everyone is getting helpful. Everyone is being helped out with it. I am coming back in the next video. 1 second.